Is this constant social anxiety, this unease, this pressure, this panic, something designed by governments and capitalism to keep us obedient? Or is it simply human nature, a primal fear we've never outgrown? In times of stress, the best thing we can do is to remain calm. Because fear doesn't stop death, it stops life. Harold Kushner. Not all fear is a scheme. Some of it is just wiring we haven't rewired. Yes, the system knows how to amplify fear. It thrives on urgency, on scarcity, on the idea that you're always one mistake away from collapse. That's no accident. Fear sells. Fear controls. Fear keeps you scrolling, working, spending, obeying. But that doesn't mean the fear was invented by the system. It means it was hijacked. Because even before capitalism, humans feared uncertainty, exclusion, death, and not being enough. It's biology. And it's very, very old. What the modern world does is weaponize that fear. Turns your survival instincts into clicks, your insecurity into debt, your self-worth into a performance review. So yes, the machine makes it worse. But the seed is already inside us. That means blaming the system is only half the story. The other half is understanding your own mind. To see the fear, and not obey it. To hear the noise, and still choose stillness. Because the opposite of fear isn't power. It's presence. And when you stop reacting and start noticing, something wild happens. The panic loses volume. The spell breaks. And you remember. This fear may be ancient, but your awareness is new. And that's how you take your life back.